We back with the Exceed Mad Drift 1/8. So we're gonna get another speed run in. As I seen from the last one, I hit 104. So this is gonna be another 6S pass. Let me go ahead and zero this out. Make sure y'all seeing that. Timer started. Hopefully that road stay clear. We get a good pass in here. Windy too today. Sorry about that, y'all. Make sure that GPS working. Alright, y'all, look like we got the road. Alright, here we come. Oh, what a save. Oh, what a save. That was all my fault. I had the steering wheel up too high trying to... Damn, yo. That was all my fault. 108 though, that GPS stayed on. 108. Make sure y'all seeing that. Hit 108 on that pass. Show y'all this 6S. I ain't seen no faster Exceed on YouTube yet. I just seen them drifting and stuff, so this might be the world's fastest. But I believe I ain't done yet, so it's just a start. Alright, a single 6S pack. Make sure y'all seeing that. Damn. Still got that same motor I told y'all. Yeah. 108. Exceed, you know what I'm saying? Same setup. You know what I'm saying? I tell you, I be trying to take cars I don't always see and try to take them to the extent, but no, that XCM been hell, but I'm gonna get it going. Anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. I hit 108 on that pass. That wasn't bad, and I got squirrely at the end. Oh man, that's crazy. But that was all my fault, man. I had my steering turned up too high, so when I try to slow down and correct, yeah, it is what it is. It's all a part of the game, man. Thanks for tuning in, though.